In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use templates in Postmark. First, let's quickly cover what templates are in Postmark and why they're so helpful. Templates let you define a reusable structure for emails you send over and over, like welcome messages, receipts, or password resets. Each template includes an HTML version, a plain text fallback, and a subject line, all of which can include variables. Those variables, written in Postmark's mustachio templating syntax, look like double curly braces, for example, user name. When you send the email, your app provides the data, and Postmark swaps the placeholders with real values. One important detail: templates live inside a specific Postmark server, so be sure you're working in the right server for your environment. Let's create one. Log into your Postmark account, head to Servers, and select the server where you want the template to live. In the left sidebar, go to Templates and click Add Template. You can start from a ready-made option, like a welcome email, which gives you a solid structure, or choose to code your own if you prefer complete control over the HTML and CSS. Now edit the content. In the template editor, you'll see fields for the HTML body, the text body, and the subject line. The HTML body is your design, layout, images, buttons, and styles. The text body is a simple, plain text version that improves deliverability and accessibility, so don't skip it. In the subject line and throughout your content, you can include variables such as /name or user name. Postmark supports previewing with sample data, so add example values to confirm your variables render correctly and your layout looks right. A quick tip: keep your variable names consistent and descriptive, and test edge cases like long names or missing optional fields to make sure the design holds up. When the content looks good, save your template. Postmark will show you a template ID, and you can also set a human-friendly alias. Keep that ID or alias handy. You'll reference it when sending emails from your application or integration. Before rolling it out broadly, test it. Use the Send Test option to deliver the template to your inbox with sample data. Open it on desktop and mobile, check dark mode if you can, and verify that links, images, and spacing look clean. Confirm the subject line renders variables properly and that the plain text version reads clearly. If anything seems off, return to the editor, make adjustments, and send another test. Repeat until everything is consistent and reliable. That's it. With a saved template, a clear alias, and successful tests, you're ready to use Postmark templates to send polished, dynamic emails without rewriting your HTML each time.